Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D sketch in SolidWorks 2025. Well on it. Now first of all draw the circle, three circle draw from origin. Now go to smart dimension. Now give this circle dimension 80 and this circle dimension give the value 60 and this circle dimension give the value 30. Okay, select. Now go to draw the circle, two circle draw here. Now give the dimension this circle 26 and this circle dimension and this circle dimension this circle below 16. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 65. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 7. Okay. Select. Now go to draw the center line from origin. Okay. Now draw the circle here. Two circle draw. Now here two circle draw and here circle draw. Select. Now this circle dimension 30 and this circle dimension 14. Okay, select. Now this circle control this circle and this circle equal. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 22 and this point distance 22. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 70. Okay. Select. This point control this point and this point vertical. Okay. Now go to draw the 3-point arc. This circle and this circle connect. Select. Now these are control this circle tangent. These are control this circle tangent. Okay. Now give the value. This point control this point horizontal. No. Control Z. This point control this point vertical. Okay. Now go to draw the line here. Now make arc here. Select. Now go to 3-point arc. Now select. Now I am going to this mirror, this circle, and this arc about this center line. Okay. Now go to 3-point arc. This point and this point click. Select. Now this arc control this circle tangent. Okay. Now I am going to horizontal delete. Just move. Just move. Okay. These are this horizontal delete. These are control this circle tangent. Now go to this R dimension 94. Okay. Select. Now these are control this arc tangent. This point control this arc coincident. Okay. Now these are control this point control this point vertical. This point control this point horizontal. Okay. Just move here. Now give the below. These are below 10. Okay. Select. Now go to trim. Cut this R. Okay. Select. Now go to offset. This R 14. 14. Select. Now go to 3-point R. Now select and select here. These are control this circle tangent. These are control this circle tangent. Now go to trim, cut here and here. Select. Now go to use here R. Select. These are control, these are tangent. These are control, these are tangent. Now go to trim, cut here, select. Now go to shift, this arc and this are distance. Okay. Just give the below arc 10. Okay, select. Now this arc control this arc equal. Now this arc control tangent. These are control. These are concentric. Okay. Now these are control. These are tangent. These are control tangent. Already tangent. Toward distance 14. Okay. Now go to mirror. Select this line and this R about this center line. Okay. Now go to trim. Now cut this. Okay. Now haircut. Select. Okay. Now I am going to check all dimension. Now I am going to edit here. No need edit. Horizontal delete. Now give the value here. Now these are below 20. Okay. Now go to select. Make our job. Everything is okay. Okay. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.